Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to add and configure booths in Airmeet. Let's get started. First, go to your event dashboard and click on Event Spaces from the top. Now, find the booths on the left and click on it. To add a new booth, simply click on this Add Booth button and from here, add the booth details. The first one is the booth logo. Specifications are given here. While uploading the logo, you can also zoom in or zoom it out. For the same, you can use a slider or use this plus or negative icons. Once done, click on apply and there our logo is ready. While hovering over it, you will also see the spin icon, clicking on which you can delete the logo from here. Then you can re-upload the new logo as well. Give your booth a name, the characters for which are 200. Coming on to the booth tags, you can add tags to the booth for better visibility of the booths. Plug in the tag text that complement your booth and hit enter or written on your keyboard and there your booth tag is added. You can add up to 24 booth tags. Coming down, we have booth exhibitors. You can add up to 6 booth exhibitors for a particular booth. To add a booth exhibitor, all you have to do is enter their email addresses. To add more booth exhibitors, click on Add Exhibitor and add the email address. You can also re-edit the email by clicking on this pencil icon or delete it by clicking on the spin icon. Now coming down to booth features, some booth features are enabled by default such as chat, tables and live broadcasts. If you wish to disable it, then you can just toggle this button up to disable them. Once disabled, this feature will not be available in the booth section and this can be re-enabled again only by the event organizer. We will learn what the booth chat is on the booth section. And coming on to tables, tables are basically the virtual tables that are available inside the booth section. You can also select the number of tables that you want to have inside the booth. You can manually enter the number or you can use this plus or negative sign to increase or decrease the table numbers. You can also enable the live broadcast, which can be broadcasted inside the booth for more visibility and for the product promotion. Now, lastly, coming down to the permissions, the event organizers have the control on whether they want to give booth editing permissions to the exhibitor or not. If you want to enable it, simply toggle this button on, or if you don't want, then you can toggle this off. Once done, click on Create Booth, and there, our booth is successfully created. You can add more booths by following the same process. Once the booths are added, you can find them in such a manner. On the left side is the 6-dot icon, clicking on which you can rearrange the booths. Then comes a booth name and logo. Third one is the exhibitors. If you have added exhibitors, their emails will show up here. And the tags if you have added any. Next is actions. If you have added the booth exhibitor, then you can click on this link icon and copy the exhibitor invitation link and share it with the exhibitor so that they can enter the booth. As you can see, I have not added exhibitors for these two booths. That's why this link icon is inactive. To re-edit the booth, you can click on the pencil icons and re-edit the booth details. Lastly, to delete the booths, simply click on the pin icons. Currently, we have just added the booth and their basic details. To add more booth details or customize it, you have to click on this View Event button, which will lead you inside the event in a preview state. Now find the booths on the top and click on it and select the booth that you want to edit and click on it. As you can see, the booth is added, the logo is added, but we still have few more things to add. To edit or update the booth, click on Edit Booth Info button, which will open this editing section for you. This section is divided into 3 parts. First is general information, second is booth layout, and third is features. Under the general section, you will find the booth name. You can rename the booth. Second is logo. You can replace or remove the logo. Third is tags. You can add the tags from here as well. And coming down is the description. You have 2 types of description, short description and a full description. For short description, you can add a brief description about the booth. Under the full description, you can add a detailed information about the products and services that you are exhibiting inside the booth. Coming on to resources, if you have any resources that you want to add to this booth, then you can add them from here. First, enter the resource name and on the second space, enter the link. If you want to add more resources, then simply click on Add Link and a resource tab will open for you. You can repeat the same process out here. To remove this, simply click on Remove. In this area, you can add your social media links. First one is for the website or any other third-party links that you want to use. You also have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Discord, or TikTok. All you have to do is enter the link and the CTA button for the same social media account will be shown on the booth. The booth visitors will be able to click on this icon and visit your social media pages. Also, please make sure that you start your website link with HTTPS. Now coming on to the second part, that is layout. In Airmeet, you have three types of booth layouts. The first one is standard. For the standard layout, you can use a basic static banner. Click on the upload image button out here to upload the image. You can also zoom in or zoom out your image as per your liking. And once done, you can click on apply. And there, a banner is successfully added. Now coming on to custom layout, to select it, simply click on it. In a custom layout, you can use the customizable banners. You can also use 3D or 2D banners if you would like to do. To replace the banner, simply hover over the banner and click on replace image and upload your image. Once uploaded, your banner will look something like this. Or if you want to customize banner more, simply click on edit banner design. Then from here, drag and drop this banner image out here and click on this section to upload the customizable image. The specifications are given here. Once you have selected the image, you will see it out here. You can also re-edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. Once you're happy with it, simply click on upload and there your image is successfully uploaded. Now if you want to add videos to this banner, simply click on the video placeholder, drag and drop it in the middle or wherever you want to. Click on this space out here again to upload the video. The specifications are given here. Once you have selected your video, simply click on upload and wait for a few seconds for it to upload it. Once your video is uploaded, it will show up in such a manner. Simply click on your video and you can drag and rearrange your video as per your liking. You can also update or change the video by clicking on this pencil icon and select the new video or simply click on this pen icon to delete this video. You can add up to 5 videos inside this section. Once done uploading the video, let us come to the links. You can also add links to your banner. To add a link, simply hover the links placeholder over the section in which you want to add a link. And now add a link name, that is goodies, and enter the link for your goodies. Once done, click on add. And there, the link is successfully added. You can also rearrange the link by dragging and dropping it or simply rearranging it. Now the booth visitors can click on this side of the banner and go to your goodies section. You can apply this same procedure for all of this. And once you have added a link CTA, this is how it will look like. You can also click on a certain link placeholder and re-edit the link or delete the link. Once done, you can click on apply changes to save the changes that you have made to this section. And there, this is how your banner will look like to your visitors. Now coming on to the third type of layout, that is posters, simply select it. In case you want to add posters to a booth instead of banners, then you can do so from this layout. Upload the PDF by clicking on this section. And once the PDF is uploaded, this is how it will look like on the booth screen. You can also click on remove to remove the PDF and re-upload the new PDF if you want to do so. Now coming on to the third part of the booth, that is features. First is a chat feature which you can find out here. In the chat section, the exhibitors can chat with the visitors inside the booth. The second one is the tables option which we saw earlier. If you scroll down there, you will find all the virtual tables inside the booth. You can decrease the number of tables or even increase the numbers. Coming on to the live broadcast, like I mentioned before, the booth exhibitors can broadcast the products and services inside the booth, and this has to be enabled by the organizers for the exhibitors to access it. Next one is the register interest button, which you can see out here. This interest button will prompt your visitors to provide their email addresses if in case they are interested on the products and services you have exhibited on the booth. Once the event ends, the exhibitors can connect with those visitors. The first part of this button is introduction text. The default text is let's connect. However, you can rename it. The character limit is 30. Coming on to the button text, which you can see inside the button, you can rename this as well. And if in case the exhibitors wants to provide offers, then you can also enable this button, which will show this gift icon. And here you can provide the offer information. First one is the preview text. Once the preview text is added, now add the offer details. And once you have added the offer details, the booth visitors will be able to access and opt for these offers by clicking on this section. If you want to add more offers, simply click on add link. And from here, you can add more offers. or if you want to remove it, simply click on remove. Once done, click on the save button and your booth is successfully saved. And this is how your booth will look like after it is edited. And this is the third type of booth layout that you are seeing out here with PDF. You can click on this hamburger menu to view all the PDF pages. You can click on this arrow icons to go forward and backward on your pages. Click on this download icon to download the PDF. You can go full screen by clicking on this full screen icon, or you can zoom in or zoom out by clicking on this zoom in, zoom out icon out here. And lastly, if you want to reset your zoom, then you can simply click on here and it will reset the zoom that you have done inside the screen. And this is how your second type of booth layout will look like depending on how you have customized it. And lastly, this is a view of the first type of booth layout. As you can see on the left, you have visitors and leads. If you click on visitors, here you will see all the visitors who are visiting inside your booth. If you click on leads, you will find all the leads or the email addresses that the visitors have added through this section in this part. You can also click on past visitors to view all the past visitors who have visited your booth. Coming on to the right, you have the copy booth link. If you want to share the booth link with your visitors, then you can simply click on it to copy it and share the link in the communication channel. You can re-edit or update the booth details by clicking on this section. Now coming on to this section, if the booth visitors are interested in the products and services that you have exhibited or showcased inside this booth, then they can click on I'm interested button here, plug in their email address for more information on your product, and click on submit. And since we have also added the offers, the visitors will be able to access the offers by clicking on the CTA button out here. Once the visitors add their email address, they will be shown inside the lead section. You can also click on this message section to message this person. Since this is myself, I cannot message myself. But if it was other visitors, then you can message them. The attendees can re-click on it to view the offer details. Now coming down, the attendees can see a booth logo, booth name, a short description that you have added, a long description, a tag that you have added, and the resources out here. And on the right, they can find your social media accounts if you have added any. The booth visitors can also interact inside the booth by using this chat feature with other booth visitors or the exhibitors. This is the broadcast session using which the booth exhibitors can exhibit their products or services on a broadcast. The visitors can simply click on notify me and they will be notified as soon as the broadcast starts. Or if they want to disable the notification, they can do so as well. And below here are the virtual tables for the booth. As the organizer, you can simply click on this pencil icon and edit the table details such as table name, table image, number of table seats, and the table setting that is fixed or expanding. Fixed table setting basically fixes the number of seats on the table. And in the expanding settings, even though there are 4 seats on the table, more people can join as long as the maximum capacity of the table has not yet reached. Once done, you can click on save and you are good to go. The booth activities such as live broadcast and chat section will be enabled as soon as the event starts. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.